work, train, repeat. That's the main thing. You always have to work with your dogs, and you always have to build that relationship and build that bond with your dogs. And the more you work and more you communicate with your dogs the proper way, the better results you're going to see in your dog. And that's what I preach a lot. My name is Philip Hughes. I am the owner and head trainer of Legendary Canine Georgia. I'm originally from Savannah area, a little small town called Eden, Georgia. I do it full-time, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. In 2020, I actually trained over 250 dogs through here. I love to be able to take an untrained dog and put a foundation and lead it in the right direction and set it off for a great future with its owners. Our goal at Legendary Canine Georgia is to help you and your pet have a fun and manageable life together.